Hi friends, I'm doing walking on the treadmill. This is the new treadmill which I have bought it. I bought it on about the 24th of June. So till now I have burned today 97 calories, and from 20 minutes I started the workout. It is a good treadmill. It is of Soul company. Here you can see the buttons, and I used to enjoy it by doing it the barefooted. It have a lot of features in it. You can increase the speed or the decrease. You can decrease or increase the speed. Here you can increase the inclination as well as you can decrease the inclination, just like this. Here you can see increasing the inclination, and you can directly increase the or decrease inclination from these buttons, and you can set the program from these buttons also. You can increase speed from here also, and it also comes with a chest transmitter which gives you the pulse, the heartbeat. However, heartbeat can also be easily calculated by putting your hand here, and the both hands should be there. It will calculate the pulse here on the speed. It also comes with a key, and this key has to be attached on your body. So in case of an emergency, when you fall down, this key comes out and machine stops. It has a good features. For example, let me show you few features. Let me first push it. You can see, and by pressing it another second time, you can stop the machine like this one. So after checking that everything is at zero, inclination is zero, you can also pull and fold the machine like this. You need two hands. However, I'm trying it with the one hand, and it will get fixed in the hook here. If you need to open it again, you need to pull it up, and then it will pull down slowly. So it's very smooth. This is the Soul SF63T, which I have bought it. I bought it from the Lucknow, and they brought it from the Chennai. So this is how this treadmill is very effective, and it is a good way to reduce your fat, to keep you fit. So this is what I want to say about this Soul SF63. This I found it to be very fantastic machine. Thank you for giving your valuable time.